Hello, it's Valiant Peak here, and this morning I'm just testing out the double J-zip bivvy that we have in the Dan Durston X Mid. This is the one person, and it fits really well. I've had some requests from people looking at this because of the all mesh inner, and this solves the problem in many respects by putting a J-zip bivvy in. Let's have a quick look. So you can see there's 3 places it's put here, 1, 2 and then 3 there, and it's just, if you can see here, just tied up on the top of the trekking pole here, but it gives you loads of space that side and plenty of space this side for cooking and maybe storing extra kit. And with the J-zip, excuse me, see if I do this with one hand, J-zip, it's very easy to get in and out of the bivvy, as you can see here. Just do this up again. So I think this works really well. What I'm not showing here is the hood, optional hood, which can go over this. It's made of the same material as this, and that will cut down the drafts even more, and it sort of cuts across here, so you've got plenty of breathability here as well, but actually that goes right around the hood area and will cut down the drafts. At the other end we've got this ripstop mesh, new type of material, which hopefully will stop a lot of the condensation that you sometimes get with bivvies, particularly if they're completely enclosed. So there we go, that's the Valiant Peak double J-zip bivvy in the Dan Durston X Mid, one person. Well, good morning. Just slept in the J-bivvy last night, and everything was pretty fine. Hell of a storm last night, but looks like we survived. Didn't get a lot of sleep because it rained like hell, and very windy, but very comfortable. In fact, a bit too warm really inside here, which was fine. I'm not sure what the temperature was, but it was yeah, very warm in the quilt here. The quilt, it's apex down to -1. It's apex 200. And yeah, fine, so I'm going to get myself sorted out, but yeah, really happy in here. The Ultra Bivy works really well in this Dan Durston X Mid 1.